NetSpend Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? This is one of the most misunderstood cards on the market. And the surprising truth is, it is not really a credit card at all. NetSpend offers prepaid debit cards that can help manage money, but do not build traditional credit unless paired with their optional credit builder features. There are monthly fees, transaction fees, and ATM fees depending on your plan. These costs add up quickly. It can be useful for budgeting and spending control, but it is not ideal for building long-term credit. Verdict: leave it unless you specifically need a prepaid card.